this video is gonna be about my new camera I got for my birthday. Yes, very grateful, very fortunate to be able to even have this camera. I want to do portrait photography and just regular photography in general. I got this How to Create Stunning Digital Photography by Tony Northrup, I think. A lot of his pictures and how he takes pictures, even though I'm taking a little bit of classes here and there and self-teaching myself. It's great to have this book. Amazon. It came with the bag, 2 lenses, and the body. I'm so grateful to my parents, my grandparents, my sisters, my brother, everybody for helping me purchase this because I've been wanting it for a really, really long time. Not for videos, because I already had this camera for videos. This is mainly just for photography. It took me a long while to figure out what camera I wanted. I was looking at the Canon T7i, the Canon T6, and the Canon SL2, but as you can tell, I went with Nikon, and it's the Nikon logo on the front. And then it has this zipper. It has a zipper that I hold my lens cap in when I am on the go, taking pictures, you know, doing fancy stuff. I don't know how to do fancy stuff. And this has leaves in it, but it was in this pocket. It just like opens like this, like that. And then on the back, it has just a little opening pouch for other things, like put my phone in there. I leave everything. I leave my purse and everything at home and just take my phone, take a couple of dollar bills, take some money, and just put it all in there and just walk around carrying my bag. It has a shoulder strap. This is an awesome shoulder strap because it is not very straining on my shoulders. I just have my Nikon battery for the battery to charge it. And I have my Nikon lens. This is a 70 to 300 millimeter lens. And then it just has more of these so that you can put more storage in it. This one's for the kit lens. So I put that on the lens when I am doing, like, switching out lenses and stuff. Just the body lens cap. But if I don't want to have a lens on it, I could put this on it, and it will keep the lens secure. Little zipper pocket right here. So it just goes like this. This is the manual, just in case I forget how to do something. We have my Nikon. This is the Nikon D3400. This is the kit lens it has on. The reason why I do not want to use this as a YouTube camera is because I have one. I have the, it's not a DSLR, but it's a mirrorless camera. It's the Samsung NX Mini in mint green, and that I've used for a year and a half now, and the focus is great, and yeah, and it does what I want it to. It shoots video, and I know this one shoots video, but this is mainly for photography. I have no shame in my game with this camera, but this one specifically for YouTube. And this one is for photography, as I said, bajillion times. So that's what's in my camera bag, you guys. I hope you all enjoy, and I'll see y'all later in my next video. Thank you everyone for helping me out by getting this bad boy. Yeah, so thank you all for watching, and I'll see y'all later in my next video. Bye, guys.